But it's all good. That is storyline. Anyway, I'm still looking around. I'm looking above the roof for us. Hey, can I tell you?